Hi, my name is Maciej from DCX, and behind me they are the biggest CDU systems on earth. There's nothing bigger, nothing better, nothing more powerful. That frame and that frame combined into the one facility-sized coolant distribution unit with the capacity of 5 megawatts. I will show you something about those systems. So that's the actually one side of the CDU, and that's the other side of the CDU. That's the C-frame, and that holds all the important pipe assemblies, control panel, pumps, inverters or VFD drives, sensors, and bypasses, valves, everything what's important for the CDU to operate. And that's the H-frame. As you can see, the biggest heat exchanger which anyone put inside of the CDU system with large diameter pipes, and that covers the facility and primary loop side. That's the H-frame. We combine those two pieces into, let's say, one to provide customers with the biggest flexibility, thinking about the different tight spaces in the technical corridors or the plant rooms or plant floors. So CDU combines of two units, C-frame and H-frame, both create the most powerful system in the world. And I will show you something more, because there's more to show. So that's the C-frame, and in the C-frame we have the pipe assemblies hidden behind that panel. They cover, these are vertical pipes, so we can connect flexibly from the top or from the bottom for both primary loop and secondary loop, so TCS side and facility water system side. That's the control panel. It's pretty comprehensive, pretty large. We use Siemens controllers. It is bigger and more capable than anything else, simply because we monitor not only the standard parameters like flow rates and head losses and pressures on both sides of the CDU, but we also can control multiple other parameters, especially water quality parameters. It's most important thing when thinking about the, let's say, long-term maintenance of the coolant distribution unit and basically cooling loop, to make sure that the cooling medium stays within, let's say, right parameters. So we have the built-in both sensors to control conductivity, turbidity, corrosion rate, pH, but also built-in pumps and water treatment system, all inside of that frame. So we can give you the assurance of the cooling medium parameters over the long-term maintenance. And I will show you even more. So let's see the power of that FDU system. Let's see the muscle of that unit. That's the biggest FDU there is. So obviously we have the biggest pumps and the most pumps anyone put any time in the CDU system. But let's start from the VFDs. These are smart VFDs. These are not just standard drives. Those are made by Danfoss, OEM by Wilo, and they not only control the pump, but they also monitor condition of those motors, condition of those pumps, and if the operation of the motor goes above or below the threshold baseline, then we can proactively react. We can repair the motor or service it before anything happens. So that gives us another assurance, safety. These are all in the separate compartment, as you can see, in the same way like control panel. We have them fully isolated from everything hydraulic, so 100% safe and prepared for anything what may happen inside of the CDU system. 4 pumps, 4 huge pumps, but in the N+1 configuration. So we have 3 pumps operational, 1 pump as a N+1 as a spare. And those pumps provide huge capacity. It's over 11,000 liters per minute, which means 3,000 GPM, more or less, 660 meters per hour. Huge flow rate at the right pressure, which allows us to provide the cooling for tens or hundreds of racks actually. So that's hyperscale, the first on earth hyperscale CDU system. Well, we ship right now approximately 50 of those CDUs or FDUs, as we call them, to customers in Europe and in the US. They are the most capable ones. They are designed for hyperscale, so we have hyperscale customers. And if you have the same application, you need to deliver AI in the limited time. You cannot wait 50 or 60 weeks for those small and integrate hundreds of those 1 megawatt CDUs. please let us know. We'll design the cooling loop, we'll support you on every capacity, and we can provide those CDUs in approximately 20 weeks if we can prepare for your order. I hope we'll talk soon and we'll be able to secure your CDU needs. Thank you so much for your attention, and talk soon. Cheers.